But I feel like the experience is quite important, especially.
Lovely.
Hi, we're the Hepco Apprentices. We are here today to tell you about how brilliant our apprenticeship journeys have been, and we're going to play some Jenga.
What apprenticeship are you currently finishing?
The four of us are completing a level 4 engineering apprenticeship in manufacturing.
I'm in quality.
I'm moving into an applications engineering position in technical sales.
I'm currently in the CNC department, programming and working with robots and CNC machines.
I'm currently in the projects department with a view to specialise in quality.
Okay, why did you become an apprentice and was it your first choice?
Truthfully, I became an apprentice because I realised it was a really good option for me. Like, staying local, my friend network was here and all that, it really fitted what I wanted to do.
Personally, I feel like I've been more of a practical person all my life, so I feel like an engineering apprenticeship was the right choice for me.
I think when I was offered the opportunity to learn and grow in an environment with countless professional individuals who know exactly what they're talking about, that combination of study and work suited me best. And so there wasn't really another option.
I felt like the experience is quite important, especially.
Lovely.
Have you benefited from an apprenticeship?
Well, we're not going to say no, are we? Yeah, definitely, 100%. It's been amazing. It's set me up in my career, my life, everything really. I owe everything to my apprenticeship.
Yeah, in terms of where I started and where I've ended up, there's such a vast difference between me then and me now in terms of the soft, not only like the professional skills, but the soft skills as well, and being able to work in a professional environment in the right way and getting that experience early instead of doing it as a university course.
Oh, he's gone straight in.
Yeah. Not only that, but like you said earlier, actually, about building our soft skills and being able to speak in front of schools, pretty much.
Yeah.
For more than 60 people. I'd never have imagined myself speaking in front of a massive group of people, first of all, and doing it so with so much confidence. So in a way, an apprenticeship doesn't just let you develop your knowledge and skills, but it allows you to grow as a person.
Here we go. It's going to come out to me.
Look at these prime engineering skills right there.
Oof. That was close.
What is it like being an apprentice at HepcoMotion?
Having been given the opportunity to work in every department that Hepco has to offer, going from the start of the process to the finish of the process, and having a really good base understanding of how the business works has benefited me the most.
It's allowed us to become better rounded engineers.
Yeah.
I feel like so.
You're sort of able to take your hand to anything.
Yeah.
Which really gives you a lot of scope for, you're not fixed in one place. You get to have the ability to go anywhere.
Having that background knowledge of being in assembly and actually building our products and seeing how they go together, when speaking with customers, it's been incredibly useful.
I feel like it's not talked about enough how welcoming everyone is and how much they're willing to help. And I feel like that's quite valuable as well.
I'll take that.
Yeah.
Risky business. Why did you drop it on? Oh my god.
Okay.
It's confidence.
Aaron, go for it.
My apprenticeship gave me that confidence. Just go for it.
That elbow on the table, it's like confidence.
I guess being in an apprenticeship and having that experience in lots of different roles, for me at least, it's landed me in a position that I never thought I would actually have, because dealing with customers, that was like a massive no for me. But after going through the apprenticeship, I've ended up in tech sales and now I'm doing it on a daily basis.
Yeah, it's true actually. I mean, I kind of, part of the draw for me for coming to Hepco was in-house rotation. You can give everything. Oh, that is entirely me. I did just bang the table. I couldn't believe it.
What would you say to someone considering an apprenticeship?
Do it. If you can, I mean, if you're going to university just for the qualification, you may as well do an apprenticeship, get the equivalent industry recognised qualification, and get paid to do it.
The main thing is to do your own research. I feel like it does depend on you and what suits you best. Do the research about the company, about the apprenticeship, what you'll be doing. And if it's something that you do like the sound of, then I think you should go for it 100%.
Yeah, absolutely try it, because an apprenticeship gives you the best opportunity to work out what's best for you. And so there's not going to be a better way of finding out what skills you're good at and what you enjoy doing than through actually getting in the workplace and having a go.
Yeah.